Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a flooring installation business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Before we start a flooring installation business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. A floor installation business provides installation, removal, and maintenance services for various types of flooring in both residential and commercial properties. They offer a broad range of options such as linoleum, wood, and tiles, and can handle any property's flooring needs, including homes, apartments, small shops, and large stores. Starting a floor installation business involves several costs, such as obtaining insurance coverage, which typically ranges from $350 to $900 per year for general liability insurance. The business also requires a physical location, which can cost between $2,500 and $6,000 in monthly rent depending on the shop's size. Startup expenses, including wages, materials, and other costs, may vary from $8,000 to $33,000, depending on the business's size. The company will also incur costs for equipment maintenance and raw materials. Raw wooden flooring generally costs $4 to $9 per square foot, while high-end materials can cost between $9 and $21 per square foot. Worker wages typically range from $10 to $20 per hour, and insurance premiums must be accounted for in the budget. Shop utilities, advertising, and marketing costs must also be considered. A consistent flow of work from reliable clients is highly valued in a floor installation business. One can secure contracts from housing development companies who need flooring installed in newly constructed homes, or from apartment management teams. Such clients can be advantageous as they often have connections with other management teams, which can lead to more opportunities for the growing business. Additionally, the business will also receive requests from individuals who want new flooring installed or their existing flooring redone. The most popular and profitable types of flooring for a floor installation business are hardwood, carpet, and tile. While other types of flooring can also be profitable, these three types are the most in demand and will likely generate the majority of the business's profits. The business can also perform maintenance services such as trimming, staining, and repairing previously installed floors. However, these services are not the primary focus, as the business is primarily an installation-based operation. The cost of installing a wood floor averages around $3,500, while laminate flooring costs approximately $2,600, and carpet installations usually cost around $1,500. Vinyl or linoleum flooring, which is the cheapest option, typically costs about $1,400. However, the installation costs may vary depending on the floor's size. The floor installation industry has an annual revenue of approximately $23 billion, but the top providers only account for about 5% of this amount, which equates to around $1.15 billion. Medium-sized floor installation businesses typically make an average of $200,000 per year, while small businesses can earn around $70,000 in the first few years. To increase your store's revenue, consider providing quick services to customers. Since floor installation can be disruptive, fast installation can be an attractive selling point. Prioritize customer satisfaction and provide a diverse range of flooring options. Where possible, minimize management, warranty, and cleaning expenses to reduce costs. Word-of-mouth referrals are crucial to the success of your business, so prioritize customer satisfaction to generate positive reviews and recommendations. Ultimately, the popularity of your business will have a significant impact on its profitability. Starting a flooring installation business involves several steps. Here are some essential steps to consider. 1. Develop a business plan. Create a business plan that outlines your business structure, target market, marketing strategies, operational costs, and financial projections. 2. Research and obtain required permits and licenses. Check the local and state requirements for permits and licenses necessary to operate a flooring installation business. You will also need to get insurance coverage to protect your business. 3. Determine the business structure. Decide on the legal structure of your business, whether it is a sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, or corporation. 4. Acquire the necessary equipment, purchase or rent the required tools, equipment, and materials for the installation process, such as saws, drills, sanders, adhesives, and flooring materials. 5. Develop relationships with suppliers. Establish relationships with flooring material suppliers and manufacturers to get the best pricing for your inventory. 6. Hire and train employees. Hire and train skilled and experienced workers who can help with flooring installation, customer service, and other business operations. 7. Establish a pricing structure. Determine a competitive pricing structure that covers your costs and allows you to make a profit. Consider pricing factors such as labor, materials, overhead, and profit margins. 8. Develop a marketing plan. Create a marketing plan that includes advertising, promotions, social media, and word-of-mouth referrals. Consider targeting specific demographics, such as homeowners, property managers, or commercial clients. 9. Launch your business. Launch your flooring installation business and begin offering your services to potential clients. Ensure you provide high-quality work and excellent customer service to generate positive reviews and referrals. Starting a flooring installation business requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By following these steps and continually improving your services, you can build a successful flooring installation business. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a flooring installation business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.